In today's short video, I'm going to show you how you can get gorgeous lashes from the comfort of your own home, start to finish. To start, you're going to want to make sure that you have everything you need. Lilac Street does sell starter kits to make it easier, or you can purchase supplies separately. The three must-haves of lash application are lashes. Lilac Street sells so many different styles and sizes. You're going to need lash glue, and you can choose between clear or black, their original or pro glue formula, and their lash applicator. A few other things that I'd recommend slowly adding to your lash collection is a lash sealant, and this is going to help get rid of any excess stickiness and seal the lashes. A lash mirror for when you're applying your lashes, a lash pad for mapping out your lashes, a lash primer for getting rid of any excess dirt or oils, and then a mini lash fan for helping the glue dry faster. Lash prep is definitely key when it comes to lash application, so grab your lash conditioning primer, and I'm going to be using a Q-tip. You can use a cotton round, and I'm going to soak the tip of the Q-tip with the lash conditioning primer, and then gently brush this on the lashes. This is going to get rid of any residual oil and improves lash adhesion, therefore prolonging the longevity of your lashes. Grab your glue of choice. I'm going to be using the Lilac Street Pro Glue in clear with a little micro mascara wand, and then also their original black glue with a brush. And there are different ways that you can apply glue. You can apply glue directly to the base of your natural lashes, just to the root, or you can apply it to the spine of the lash cluster, or you can do both, which is what I'm going to be doing for extra hold. I have all my lashes mapped out on this lash pad here, so I did a 14, 2 12s, and 2 10s in style feather, and as you can tell, the spines are lifted up. That way I can apply glue directly to the spines and let it get tacky as I work. I'm going to take the original black glue here, which has a brush, and because I'm going to be starting with this eye, I'm going to go ahead and apply glue to the spines of all of these clusters that are going to go on that eye. You can work cluster by cluster. It's definitely whatever you're comfortable with. And you don't need a lot of glue, just enough to coat the spine of it. Now grab your mirror. This one is great because it has 10x magnification up top and also a dimmable light. And I like to place mine at chin level so that I can see the underside of my lashes as I work. Taking the clear glue with a micro mascara wand, I'm going to go ahead and dab some of that glue along the base of my natural lashes. You don't want to swipe it through like mascara. Just a little bit along the root of your natural lashes. I personally like to start from the outer corner. I know some people like to start from the inner corner or the middle. There really are no rules. It's whatever you're comfortable with. So I'm going to grab the outer cornermost lash in 14 millimeters, and you want to apply it a little bit away from the edge. This way it prevents early lifting. And when you're applying it, make sure that the lash cluster is a few millimeters away from the root of your natural lashes. It should not be touching the waterline. You also don't want it too far away where there's going to be a gap. When you squeeze your eyes shut, you should not feel any poking or anything like that. Now grab your next cluster. I'm going to overlap the edges just a bit, and again, apply it a few millimeters away from the waterline so that it's sitting nice and comfortable. And do the same thing for the rest of the clusters. You do not want to clamp the lashes down while the glue is still wet, so grab the mini lash fan. How cute is this? It is rechargeable as well, and fan those lashes a bit until that glue is dry. Feel any stickiness, now is when you want to go ahead and apply the lash sealant. One little trick that I like to do is apply the sealant to the inside prongs of the lash applicator, and then go ahead and pinch everything together. That way I am coating both the top and the bottom of the lashes. You do not want to run the sealant through the lashes like mascara because it will coat the lashes in a waxy type film. And there you have it, beautiful lashes from the comfort of your own home. These should last you anywhere from 3 to 7 days. You can shower in them, sleep in them, live your best life in these lashes.